Home Remedies presents
Effective Skin Tag Removal Solution. Skin Tag Fix that works. Hi, this is Rabia with you with another health fixer tip for skin tags. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Skin tags are small, soft flaps of skin that can form in areas where the skin creases or rubs, such as the neck, armpits, or behind the legs. They can be tricky to get rid of, with some people having them for years. One effective home remedy is to apply apple cider vinegar. Simply soak a cotton ball in the vinegar and gently rub it on the skin tag a few times a day, every day, for up to a week or more. This can cause the skin tag to change color, turning darker and eventually falling off. Give this a try if you are looking for a natural way to remove those pesky skin tags.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.